Hi, welcome to my lecture on Fourier series. So this is very important topic for all competitive exams. So Fourier series has introduced by Jean-Baptiste Joseph Fourier. He is from 21st March 1768 to 16 May 1830. See, 200 years back concept, still it has a life. Means how perfect this concept is, you need to understand. So one more fellow also here, Dirichlet this is. So 13th Feb 1805, 5th May 1859. So this fellow has given some limitations. If you want to apply Fourier series, so this fellow's concept three limitations has given. These three limitations are satisfied, then only you need to go to the Fourier series. If they won't satisfy, you cannot enter the Fourier series. So let us see concept of Fourier series. So basic, what is the purpose of this concept? An overview will see. Okay. Suppose if I have this periodic signal. So this periodic signal graphically you can able to see, but mathematically how you are going to represent this graphical signal. So if I write mathematical equation for this signal, so this is what the mathematical equation for this signal. But how you are writing this one? This concept has given by Fourier series. Fourier series will represent mathematically we are going to write this equation. If you draw this equation, like if you draw this graph, then you will get this signal. Same example 2. Now one more you have periodic signal. For this periodic signal, what is the mathematical equation? So this is what mathematical equation for this signal. So writing this mathematical equation, we require the Fourier series. Based on this concept, we are able to write this equation. Then what is transform? Fourier series, we will tell time domain to frequency domain transform, right? So here, this concept I will explain in different manner. Suppose if I want to make 5-star hotel coffee. So in 5-star hotel coffee, if you go today or tomorrow, if you go throughout 1 year, you will find same taste. You will not find any difference in taste. That standard is same. So if you want to make same coffee like that only, what you required? You required this kind of one graph. Okay. So in 5-star, like water how much they are adding, milk how much quantity they are adding, coffee how much quantity they are adding, sugar how much quantity they are adding. If you follow same this quantity and quality also, so you will make same tea daily, right? You can make same coffee daily. There is no difference in coffee, right? So this is what the frequency domain signal, like this is coffee is like time domain. In coffee, for making coffee, how much quantity are there? This is frequency domain. This is what the exact concept will flow like this. Likewise, suppose this signal is there. For this mathematical representation is this one. Based on Fourier series, we can able to find this equation. Now, so Fourier series we can convert time domain to frequency domain. Here, this one like cos omega naught t, we can write e power of j omega naught t plus e power of minus j omega naught t by 2, right? This one I am replacing like this. Same. So this is the frequency domain signal. Okay, this is time domain signal, this is frequency domain signal. So here frequency domain signal, it will represent quantity. What frequency, how much you are adding. Okay, see, this is DC value. So 0 frequency, we are adding how much? A by 2. Okay, now omega naught t, here omega naught is fundamental frequency. Okay, so first fundamental frequency, how much you are adding? A by pi. This 2 is not there because this 2 get cancelled out. Okay, and negative also here, minus negative fundamental frequency also there, right? Next, see, even fundamental frequencies we are not adding. And the third fundamental frequency we are adding, how much we are adding? Here minus A by 3 pi. This much amount we are adding, this frequency. Okay, and even frequency we are not adding. Again, odd frequency how much we are adding? A by 5 pi we are adding. See, to generate this signal, this zero frequency we are adding this much amount, and first fundamental frequency adding this much amount, and third fundamental frequency adding negative amount, and fifth fundamental frequency adding this much amount. So combination of these all, if you add exactly like this, then you can produce this signal. Same what, that is what we are discussed. Exactly if you add like this, you can produce same coffee. Okay, if you make any changes, you'll find different type of coffee, right? So this is what the basic concept of the Fourier series. This is what we will do all mathematically, but how this equation we are getting, and from there to this one how we are going to draw, this is what has introduced by Fourier series. How great, right? So now this signal will draw in Desmos. So here A is 1 and T is 1 second, right? So A equal to 1 and T equal to 1 second. T equal to 1 second means F equal to 1 hertz, right? So omega naught how much? 2 pi f. So then it is 2 pi, right? So in this equation I am substituting these values. So x of t here equal to 4 by pi cos omega naught how much? 2 pi t minus cos 3 into 2 pi t by 3 plus cos 5 2 pi t by 5 minus cos 7 2 pi t by 7 plus, so x of t equal to 4 by pi cos 2 pi t minus cos 6 pi t by 3 plus cos 10 pi t by 5 minus cos 14 pi t by 7 plus so on. In Desmos, if you type this equation, you will get this waveform. In Desmos, how I am going to type is y equal to 4 by pi cos 2 pi x minus cos 6 pi x by 3 plus cos 10 pi x by 5 minus cos 14 pi x by 7 plus and so on. So these values, how many if you increase, that much accurate signal you will get it. So let us see in Desmos. So when you add one fundamental time period, signal will be like this. For if you add one more term, signal is becoming like this. Now when you add 3 terms, signal is becoming like this. So when you add 4 terms, so when you add one more term, so now I will add directly 6 terms. Next plus this is 13, here 26, right? 26. Next minus here 15, here 30. Next here 17, here 34. So you can observe here almost we are getting square waveform, right? So like this we need to add infinite terms, then you will get exactly square waveform. Thank you.